And at the bottom hangings, you get a combination of pearls and green bead drops, which enhancing the entire look and adds movement. The entire piece gives a very proper bridal and heritage jewelry vibe. Now, talking about the overall look for this mala looks very traditional and giving such a rich color combination. This is such a bridal wear to go with. If you are looking for a complete long necklace with a heavy pendant, this is definitely a showstopper piece. So, now talking about the price for this necklace, this mala is priced at 2350 only. So, make sure to book it now before it's sold out. Now moving on to the other product, here we get to see beautiful locket. At the center, you get a beautiful round kundan stone which acts as a focal point to the center. The detailing is very neat and systematic. Now coming to the coming to the next product, here we get to see a very beautiful Jada Kundan short necklace with statement pendant. If you look at the necklace chain, you get a very detailed link style design with pink kundan stones in each segment, highlighted with green stones and small pearl work, giving a very rich and continuous pattern. Now, coming to the center pendant, this is the main highlight kundan stones and beautiful detailing around. And at the bottom hangings, you get a lovely combination of green beads topped with a tiny pearl bunches, which adds a movement and a grand overall look. Bold and statement traditional look. Perfect for weddings, bridal, or receptions look with a heavy festive look. If you are looking for a necklace that stands out on its own, this is a complete statement piece. Coming to the next product, here we get to see very unique flower design choker. If you look at the design, you get a series of round floral motifs, each crafted with pink, green, and white stones, giving it a very rich and detailed look. The center motif is slightly bigger, which enhances the entire look of the choker. Now, coming to the bottom hangings, you get to see beautiful combination of pearl clusters with green beads rolls, which adds a You also get a neat pearl chain attachment, which makes the choker look even more traditional. Look at the color combination of this choker. Elegant bridal finish, perfect for your weddings, festival. You can also pair it with your saris or lehengas if you are looking for a choker that gives a proper traditional royal look. This is really a beautiful piece to wear. Moving ahead, here we have a very elegant flower, Jadao Kundan locket. It has a very clear self floral pattern and highlighted with a green and white stone in between. The entire design looks very dense and intricate. At the center, you get a neat stone arrangement which enhances the whole piece. Now, coming to the bottom hangings, you get a green beads pearl hangings, which adds a very elegant movement and festive look. Now, talking about the overall look for this locket, the locket looks heavy appearance with a premium finishing, and also look at the flower design at the center. This is perfect for your festive wear, weddings, and functions. Pairing with saris or any of your lehengas. If you are looking for a heavy look pendant in a compact size, this is really a best option to go with. Moving ahead, here we get to see a very beautiful Jada Kundan short necklace with statement drop pendant. If you look at the neckline design, it is fully crafted with floral motifs using combination of pink kundan stones, green stones and white kundan, giving it a very rich and detailed finish. The entire necklace has a very close neck which beautifully overs the neckline. Now, coming to the center point, you get a stunning flower pendant drop with a green highlighted with pink detailing, combination of green beads drop, small pearl bunches, which adds a grand festive look. Now, talking about the overall look for this necklace is a bridal style and look at the combination of pink and green, enhancing the whole look of this necklace. If you're looking for a complete neck filling bridal necklace, this is a total showstopper to go with. So make sure to buy before it's sold out. Moving ahead, here we get Moving ahead here, we get to see bridal jhumki earrings. Now, coming to the jhumki portion, you get a classic dome shaped jhumka with a mix of pink, white, and kundan work, making it look very rich and elegant. And at the bottom hangings, you get a beautiful green beads, tiny pearl bunches, which gives a very festive moment. Now, talking about the overall look, this is very much peacock inspired traditional stud at the top with a combination of rich pink and green combination. Perfect for your festive occasions, wedding outfit or any of your ethnic outfit. If you are looking for a classic peacock jhumki with a royal touch, this is really a beautiful pick to go with. Moving ahead, here we have very simple yet elegant Jadavkundan pendant. If you look at the center, you get a bold and attractive green stone, which becomes the highlight of the entire piece around the center. There is also a pink kundan design with small and white stone essence, forming a very rich and traditional pattern, which looks very elegant and premium. Now, coming to the bottom hangings, you can see a beautiful golden pearl drops which gives a very royal and classy finish to the pendant. Overall look, bold central design plus rich pink plus green combination, royal finish, perfect for a festive wear, weddings, function. And you can pair it with any of your malas or perchins if you're looking. Moving ahead, here you get to see beautiful polki chandbali earrings. First, look at the stud design. You get a beautiful teardrop green stone in the center, surrounded by white kundan stones. Now, coming to the chandbali shape, fully lined with the bright white kundan work, very neat and premium finishing along the side Chandbali. You get a lovely floral motif with pink and green stones, which adds a perfect pop of color. And at the bottom, you can see we have beautiful green beads robes and small pearl detailing, gives a nice movement and royal finish when worn. Overall look elegant, lightweight feel, very wearable piece, perfect for your festive wear, healthy, mehendi function, or any of your light wedding looks, even ethnic daily wear. If you want something graceful, not too heavy, this is a best one to go with. Next, here we have beautiful Jada Kundan short necklace with a mix of ruby pink plus emerald stones, very dense high hand finish. You get a bold green stone in the middle which instantly give a royal Maharani look. Now, talking about the design, here we have beautiful flower pattern all over, perfectly matched. Bottom detailing, elegant green beads of small pearl essence adds a moment and richness when worn. Pendant included, matching detachable style pendant can be styled separately as well. This is perfect for a heavy bridal appearance, and look at the color contrast of the Jadavkundan stones, red and white and green. This is perfect for a reception looks, grand festive outfits. Also, you can match it with any of your lehengas or saris. Moving ahead, here we have hello, ma'am. Moving ahead, here we have elegant Chandbali earrings. Now, coming to the drop design, you get to see a beautiful layer structure. Upper part has a classic kundan semicircle. Inside, you get to see a green floral motifs with a long hanging design with green stone drops, giving such a very rich glow. What makes this special is very slim and elegant fall. Perfect balance of traditional plus styling. This is perfect for your wedding function, Sangeet reception, or you can match this style variants with any of your Indo-Western styling. If you like the statement earrings that sound out, don't miss this out. Moving ahead here, you get to see full finish Jadao Kundan choker. Look at the finishing of this choker, very antique finish, very neat and premium craftsmanship. Now, look at the center design, beautiful flower motifs in the middle, highlighted with the green stones, gives a very royal and balanced look. Now, talking about the side detailing with very beautifully leaf style extensions, fully filled with kundan work, make the choker look broad and rich on the neck. Now, talking about the bottom hangings, combination of green beads plus gold pearls adds a movement and depth, enhancing the traditional royal vibe. This is such a elegant vibe. Chain style comes with a green beach style side chain, very comfortable fit, adjustable, and easy to wear. Now, talking about the overall look for this choker looks very elegant, not only overly heavy, but perfect blend of simple plus statement look. This choker is giving very rich without being bulky. Perfect for your wedding functions, festive wear, and you can match this choker with any of your silk sarees or lehengas. This is minimal bridal look. Moving on forward, here you get to see floral shaped jhumki with ruby pink stone and at the center green stone surrounded by white kundan work gives a very royal antique finish. Now coming to the jhumki dome, classic bell shaped design lined with kundan plus ruby detailing with very neat and premium craftsmanship with heavy bead drops mixed with small pearl hangings gives beautiful movement and a rich festive look. Overall look proper traditional jhumki, slightly bold and very eye-catchy. Perfect for your weddings and bridal wear. And you can match this jhumki with any of your saris or lehengas, especially great with green or pink outfits. Very rich jhumki guys. Look at the green drops giving such a royal look. This is one of those pieces that instantly elevate your whole outfit. Now look at the backside. Here we have screw plus mechanism which is very easy to wear. So whenever you wear, you will feel very comfortable while wearing this. This is small to medium size and very lightweight, but it's giving such a rich vibes. Perfect for everyday festive styling or your small functions. You can also match this jumke with any of your kurtis, lehengas, or any of your traditional look. If you want something lightweight with nice hangings, this is a perfect one to go with. Moving on ahead, here you get to see stunning Jada Kundan necklace with pendant. First, look at the design detail. Beautiful ruby pink stone work all over, highlighted with white kundan and green stones. Very simple and premium craftsmanship. Now, let us focus on the center. Unique curve motifs in the middle, finished with green stone detailing, gives a very rich and eye-catchy look. Neckline design, broad choker style, fully filled with dense stone detailing. Sits beautifully on the neck and gives a royal finish. Now, talking about the bottom hangings, you get to see very elegant green bead drops with a small pearl detailing. Adds a perfect blend of richness and traditional look. Matching pendant included with same design language can be styled separately or full size. Makes the set even more prettier. Overall look, proper bridal, festive statement piece, rich color combination. Pink plus green, always trending. Very premium appearance the necklace is giving. This is perfect for your weddings or bridal wear, or you can wear this necklace for a reception, sangeet. And also you can match this necklace with any of your saris or lehengas. Now, look at the pink and green combination. Always sells very fast, so don't miss this one. Now, we have completely different vibe presenting you very classy and modern royal plus royal and modern finish. First thing you will notice, full diamond like finish highlighted with stones, super elegant, not heavy bridal but very premium. Now, talking about the neckline design of this choker. This choker is very sleek pattern, continues with white motifs, gives a very clean and rich neckline. Highlighting features of this choker is beautiful long dangling crystal dots, adds a movement and shine. Looks stunning, especially in in traditional function. Center pendant, bold statement drop, fully studded with AD stones and Caesar stones, enhancing the overall look without making it bulky. We are also providing matching earrings with you, as you can see here, white combo, lightweight but stylish, perfectly balanced with the choker. Overall look, this choker looks very elegant and simple. Not every traditional, slightly modern. The choker is giving traditional vibes, perfect for customers who want simple but luxury vibe. We have one more color for this choker, that is ruby style with matching earrings. We have another color that is green emerald, as you can see over here. This is a very beautiful green emerald choker. This piece is very pure bridal look. First, loaded with green emerald stones at the top, giving such a traditional vibe. Yeah, also you can see the danglers at the bottom, which highlighting the whole choker. And we are also providing matching same earrings. Now, talking about the overall look for this choker. This choker is giving very traditional vibe. Here are our ordering details: WhatsApp, Instagram, website, dulanjewels.com. Thank you, everyone. So